Hi everyone, welcome to RAAONLINE. I'm Dr. Ashok, consultant clinical microbiologist. So today we are going to have a small session on basics of Myxovirus. So whenever we are going to talk about Myxovirus, we all know there are certain viruses like influenza, and then we have para-influenza, and then we have various other viruses like mumps, measles, and metapneumovirus and respiratory syncytial virus. So all these they come under the Myxovirus. So whenever we are going to talk about this particular Myxoviral group, it is classified into orthomyxovirus and paramyxovirus. So under orthomyxovirus we have the influenza virus, and then under the paramyxovirus we have the other virus like mumps, then measles, then parainfluenza virus, then metapneumovirus and measles virus. So those all will come under the paramyxovirus group. And again we should know to classify these two things, and it is very main for you to understand the other concepts of the infection like influenza and parainfluenza. So before going into the main topic, make sure you are going to read this basics so that you will be clear with the concepts and idea of the particular viral infection. So let us go into topic now. So when we are going to classify this particular myxovirus, we have something called orthomyxovirus and we have something called paramyxovirus. Okay, so under that particularly we should see about the size first. So in case of orthomyxovirus, the size is going to be 80 to 120 nanomicron, and we have something called the paramyxovirus. So again, paramyxovirus, the size is going to be little bigger than that of the orthomyxovirus, and the size is going to be 100 micron to 300 micron. So when compared to the orthomyxovirus, paramyxovirus size is quite big. So with this, we are going into the shape. So now the shape of the particular orthomyxovirus is going to be spherical, and in case of paramyxovirus, it's going to be pleomorphic. So certain viruses may appear like an filament, and certain virus can appear as a round form, and a certain particular virus can appear as an elliptical form. So those are the various morphological forms. So pleomorphic in the sense it's not going to be a same size and shape. The particular size and shape is going to get altered in a different virus. So that's going to be the pleomorphic virus, and it's going to be the property of pleomorphism. So with this, we are going into the third thing, that is going to be the nucleic acid.